Here's my group. Bravely tripping over leaves. Pretend that you're happy and excited. You want to keep going or you want to go back? Whoa, not tripping here. Okay, who wants to carry me? I'm tired. Volunteers? No. Okay, you guys doing good?
Yep.
No. Still excited? Want to continue?
Yeah.
No?
On the way.
Hey guys, hurry up. There's a bear right behind you. See him? Right there. Not for real. Are you guys excited? Want to continue? Carry on climbing?
No.
It's only 18 more miles. You think you can do that? No? Bethany, you have to carry half of the group.
Oh, I can only carry one at a time.
Okay, I'm first. Oh, no tripping.
It's not allowed?
Nope.
No tripping allowed?
Nope. You break your leg, you're out of the group. We're like half an hour ahead of him.
Or like killing animals.
Enough time to take a bath.
Yeah, and get dirtier.
And get dirtier. Oh.
It kind of defeats the whole purpose of a bath.
So how many more miles we have? Is like what, 8 miles?
No.
12.
4 total. 4, 6. That's all it is. It's short.
Yeah, about half of it.
So we kind of like halfway there.
No.
Damn it!
I don't think we've done half a mile.
Oh, we've done at least half a mile.
Yeah, probably a half a mile.
At least. I would guess more.
I'm still walking. Damn it. This is high. I'm tired. Oh man. Wow. Why are you guys stopping? What happened?
Bear attack.
Bear attack?
We're sitting our hang gliders out.
Hang gliders.
Nice view.
That's a big lake.
Let's go, guys. Come to shed again? No. Oh my.
See the lake.
You're what?
You can see where we started, right down there.
Oh, there's our car. That's Tom's car.
Get in front of it.
My car's getting stolen. Wait a minute.
What's Dan doing down there? I think I'm seeing the future.
This is a shortcut back to the car?
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I
Just roll down.
Zip line that we're all going to take down.
Good view.
Yeah, you lay them in the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, just be prepared to go for a freezing
Yeah, that's
for a
right.
few seconds.
And a body bag will be
There's a
waiting
towel.
for you.
There's a towel and a hot shower waiting for everyone down.
Okay, I'm going. Where's the hot shower?
You might end up moaning. Watch out.
There's just one problem. We don't have any harnesses, so you're just going to have to hang on and hope you don't let go.
Hang on to what?
Because I lost my last
The question is, what's the price range that you're willing to... Oh, sorry.
That's all right. The question is, who has a beer?
Nobody ever takes your picture.
Yeah. And she has nothing new.
Yeah, let's not hike anymore. I just want to stay here. I'm done hiking. My feet are tired. See, they are tired. It's a trail mix scene. Da-da, gorging on the trail mix dried bananas. No, not emotional pushing. Ooh, what are you doing to your butt?
Oh, don't videotape that.
Yeah, I was like you were touching your butt. That was interesting.
I don't like his videotaping of everything. Not fancy.
Hey, I'm completely innocent, totally and absolutely.
One of gloves with me.
It's a big rock. Hi there. I'm just checking on you guys. Oh, not enough hands. And a bottle.
Okay.
That's not helping.
My hands are freezing.
Thanks.
Oh. Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm not holding your hand, dude.
Yeah, you have a stick. You'll be fine. Oh. Hi guys, say hi for a camera. We're in the middle of the wildness. The group is leaving us. Here's the rest of our pack. Follow up. Where's our fearless leader? We lost her.
I'm gonna call you Roadrunner.
Roadrunner!
Roadrunner!
We just found this rock temple. Are you gonna build? It's a foot up. It's a rock temple destroyer.
I'll put one little pebble out and the whole damn thing will fall down.
Yeah. And we're gonna have it on stone.
He had to add one more. See? He just added like a big platform.
Where's the right place to put it? I put mine right there. Oh, that was a good choice.
Then me pick a rock to.
For the secret door to open.
That's my rock. Okay, this beautiful flat rock is gonna go on the very top. I'm gonna make a difference in the world. I'm putting it here. No, it may not work.
I'm gonna watch the whole thing tumble down.
Now I'm building a bridge.
Jenga, you have to start over.
Yeah, you gotta pull one out.
Yeah, see, I'm building a
Oh,
bridge.
look, there's a little spider web going from the top over.
Oh yeah. This one?
Yeah, yes it is. We're hunting spider. Whoa!
You okay? I would have caught you, don't worry.
Oh, you wouldn't?
No, I would have.
Oh, you would have? Okay, let me try it again. Oh!
Now you're just pushing your luck.
Oh, okay. I'll do it again. Oh! No, that was for real now. We lost, we don't see orange trail. Oh, like we didn't see that there's an orange in the tree.
Yeah, here's a trail.
Keep climbing, guys. It's only 16 miles left.
Afterwards, we went there because a friend figured that might be fun for the film.
Oh.
Yes,
And we keep going and going and going and going. Hi there.